Good hapon, OC again. Good hapon, OC.
May
Agro the
Cobra.
Cobra.
Wait. Don't aggro. Why you aggro that?
Holy shit.
Yeah. If they out and find us here, maybe GG.
Don't separate, okay? Again. Wait. Come to me now. Come back. All my ditang on the front, all my bedrocks, and I am Yawin. Come to me north.
What the heck?
Follow me northwest. Okay, just don't panic, guys. Again. Only you. Wait. Specto. Stay at the back, Specto. Okay, southwest. Catch this guy. Southwest 5. No. Never mind. Specto, stay at the back. Diaso, stay at the back. Okay? Guard runes, put guard runes on the front. DPS, get ready.
Yeah, 7 now.
Okay. DPS now, get ready. I'm gonna engage, ha? Party 2. Party 2 on me. Party 2 engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw, party 2. Go back north. Just go back north. Come to me east side. East now. East. Wrap around east. South now. Party 1 ready. Shallow east. Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Go back.
They won.
Wrap him
Go
around.
back. Hold the bit. Okay, we're gonna engage over the wall, Iles, on the chest. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, on the chest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Go back lang. Guard runes on me, get ready. Okay, party to engage on me. Shallow west on the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West on the chest now, party 2. Okay, wait. Party 1, get ready. On me, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 on me now. Nice kill. Okay, go slowly kite. Good. Don't panic. Demon 1. Good. Demon 2 now. Demon 2 and Giga. Demon 2 Giga. Night armor. Get ready inside of us. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us.
Oh no.
Keep kiting southeast. Keep kiting. Night armor. Where's the night armor and guardian armor?